I am Mark John Quiros, 24, mula sa lalawigan ng mga bayani at banal, probinsya ng Bataan!
Good day, everyone. My name is Arjun Perez, your Mr. World Philippines, Batangas Province.
I'm Gutta Minutara. I'm Roy Osgayer, and I'm from Cebu.
Good day, everyone. My name is Leonard Padullo Crachea, 20 years old, proudly representing the land of 1,000 colors, Quezon Province.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Kennedy Buenga, 21 years old, from the city of Santa Rosa, Laguna.
Good day, everyone. I am Rizman Cabigo, 24 years old, from the Lion City of the South, City of Santa Rosa.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. My name is Michael Alfonso Cotto, 19 years old, representing the Filipino community in the United Kingdom.
Good afternoon, media. Good afternoon to all the judges, all the sponsors. My name is Aaron Sadia Davis, 28 years old, and would like to represent my mother's home province, the spicy capital of the Philippines, Bicol.
Harvey Joshua Sabo, 26, representing province of Pangasinan.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Christopher Alexei Cruz, 33 years of age, representing the city of Manila.
Kaya pagkabanabot, good afternoon. I'm John Hernandez, 31, from the province of Pampanga.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm John Paul de la Cruz, 29 years old, from city of Lucena, Quezon Province.
Good afternoon, guys. My name is Jethro Palomo. I'm 24 years old, and I'm proudly representing the city of Taguig.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bante Baragas, 27 years old tomorrow, so it's my birthday. And I'm proudly representing my municipality of Bayambang, province of Pangasinan. Thank you.